Okay, it's January 16th, 2019. And if you're in a snowstorm, you gotta have some things handy. I cut up about 2 teaspoons of onion. And these are Idaho. They're real dried mashed potatoes. And I have the onion in there, can of kidney beans, and I have my hot water to go. You just stir this occasionally. You're going to start your hot water first for your mashed potatoes. And start your onion and kidney beans and your corned beef hash. Just something to have on hand in the winter. This is Thomas Thompson in Indiana, United States. And you bring your water to a boil. And these potatoes are simple to make. You bring that water to a boil. You pour in those potatoes. And then you take it off the heat. You open the bag here. And that's what they look like dried. Everybody knows that, but it's what it is. Just pour them in there like that. And every package has the directions on them. So, that's all you do. This is Tama cooking again on her Frontier wood burning stove. I regulate my heat by these knobs down here. They turn. And I got the fire going pretty good inside for this Frontier wood burner. You can see flame and the hot coals in there. The old Frontier wood burner. Back in the 1930s. Put that wire on there for safety. Put these potatoes on there and stir that up. Like so. Alright, well this is Tama Tea. And I'm cooking on her stove here. Signing off. I got to get these potatoes stirred. And you can put butter and milk in there. I got different flavored potatoes. January 16th, 2019. Have a good day. Start cooking. Start cutting wood. Then start cooking. There's my wood. There's my chainsaws. My Sthil chainsaws. Tama Tea. Sthil chainsaw. Signing off. Have a blessed day.